Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the slimes that I got from my brother. Remember we went to the store? So, I got this box. Yeah. So, what's in this? There's bows in there. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to be showing you the slime. So I think we're gonna start off with, let me get it out. I think we're gonna start off with, it's in this box. Ooh, here's two that I'm gonna take them all out, and then that'll probably be easier. Sorry guys, it's my 10th second. You get out. I have like 4 slimes in here, so that's the only kind of slimes up. Okay, so let's start. I think we're gonna start with this one. So it is a blue slime with like glitter in it, but the glitter is actually shaped like unicorns. So here it is, and it smells amazing. You guys can't smell it because you're watching a video right now, but this smells amazing. Oh my god, look, see that? So cool. Woohoo! The next one, I think my favorite one is gonna be last, which makes sense, right? Okay, so this one is called Unicorn Fluffy. Can't see that? Unicorn Fluffy. And it says Elmer's Goo. Funny, right? So let's see if this thing can make a bubble. This box isn't too big, but we're gonna see if it can make a bubble. Just a little one though, because this box isn't big. I would probably do it if I had a bigger box, but this box isn't too big. It's only like this big and this wide. So I can't make a bubble on it. Okay, anyways. Next one is coming up. So next we're gonna do this pink one. So it was actually just clear slime, but it came with this stuff that you were supposed to put in it that was pink, which I did. That because you're supposed to. So I'm going to take this stuff out and play with it with you guys. So this was at Walmart. It was like a 3-pack of stuff. It's kind of hard to get out because it's butter slime, by the way. Yeah, unicorn butter. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. Oh yeah, finally, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this. It's very cool. This is my second favorite. Okay, see that stuff? Look, it stretches so much. Okay. So, wait 1 second. She says unicorn butter. Okay. So it's pink, stretchy, and smells like cotton candy. Okay, so we're gonna put this thing back. The only reason I don't have one of these like orange lids is because this thing's so big, it won't even fit in one of those orange lids. So I have this, that fits, that it will fit in. Ow. I pinched myself. Okay. Okay, there's that. Next one is this one. It was like a lot of slimes, like it was like pink, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. But since I didn't have lids that I didn't want to mix it, I had to mix it because then they didn't have lids. So, but it's pretty color. I'm gonna get it out. It's kind of hard to get out, but okay, because we're gonna do it. You've been uninvited. It's a song. Don't worry. It's by Billie Eilish. I love her song so much. My favorite singer. Okay, Billie Eilish. If you're watching this, I'm so happy. I got a new TV. Let's see if you guys can hear this. Alexa, say hi to my YouTubers.
I don't know that.
Alexa, say hi.
Hi there.
Ooh, I got an idea. Alexa, Simon says hi Arbor's YouTubers.
Hi, Arbor YouTubers.
Isn't she nice? Alexa, thank you.
Anytime, Arbor. Hope you've had a good Wednesday.
See, she knows my name. So, because it's my Alexa. Okay, so here it is. Ooh. Oh. I wish I could make a bubble on this. Ooh, I almost went on the carpet. I don't want that because I have to take care of this carpet. Watch this. Alexa, what is my name?
I'm talking to Arbor. This is Cody's account.
I'm going to ask her what her favorite animal is. Alexa, what's your favorite animal?
The platypus is my new fave. It's just perfectly peculiar, and the list keeps growing. Recently, scientists found that under UV light, its fur shines bright. Overall, I give the platypus a glowing review.
Good to know. There it is. I think my next video is all about Alexa. Okay. So, my next one is going to be my favorite. This one. It's gold. I'm excited because it's my favorite one and I love it. Okay. Smells like bananas. I love that smell. I love everything bananas except for bananas. Weird, right? Oh my god. Look at that. My favorite one. And let's see if you can guess what this slime is called. So, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. And if you got it right, leave it in the comments down below. It's called Unicorn Magic. It's pretty cool. I love it so much. Okay. So, look at this. Does it look like unicorn magic? Let's get a close-up of this. You see that glitter in there? Pretty cool, right? So, I'm going to put it back. And you know what time it is. The part that no one likes. Subscribe, like, and hit that little bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Bye. And peace out.